This episode of Techno Buffalo is brought to you by lynda.com. What's going on, guys? I'm Mark Linsanger from Techno Buffalo, and today we'll be taking a closer look at Android Lollipop on a Moto 360. Android 5.0 Lollipop is slowly but surely being pushed out to various of Android Wear devices, so if you haven't received the update yet, keep pushing that check for update button, and I'm sure you'll get it in no time. Now, one of the first things I noticed with this update was the drop-down overlay. It used to just be the date and battery percentage alongside the mute toggle, but with Android Lollipop you get 3 different options to choose from. There's Show All, which shows every notification you receive. There's Priority Mode, where only priority notifications come in, and there's None or Mute to show nothing at all. There's also a few different modes or settings to choose from within the overlay. There's Theater Mode, which essentially turns off the screen and the vibration motor, and the only way to turn the screen on from here is to use the side button of your smartwatch. There's also Sunlight Mode, which temporarily maximizes the screen's brightness so the display is easier to see under harsh lighting conditions. Last but not least, you have a quick shortcut for your settings menu. The update also includes the ability to swipe a card back when you accidentally dismiss it, and I have to admit I've done that several times over the weekend, and I'm glad this feature is finally here. Now, when you tap on a watch face, you'll be prompted with Google Now, which looks a bit different in Android 5.0. You have your Google Now label, and under that will be your frequently used actions for quick access. And I also noticed that the color palette has changed just a bit to a more flatter, more material design look. Now, within the settings menu, not much has changed other than the addition of accessibility, where you can invert the colors of the screen. But other than that, everything else is just about the same. Let's stop the video for just a quick second and thank our friends over at lynda.com. Lynda.com offers thousands of engaging, easy to follow video tutorials taught by industry experts to help you learn software, creative, and business skills. Membership starts at just $25 per month and provides unlimited 24/7 access. Learn at your own pace from tutorials in web design, programming, audio and video, and many more. Try lynda.com free for 7 days by visiting lynda.com/technobuffalo, and again, that's lynda.com/technobuffalo. Google will also release a Watchface API for developers, which gives users even more ways to express their personal style while creating an opportunity for developers to customize the most prominent UI features of the watches. Developers will be able to change between 12-hour and 24-hour time, or change the watch face's background and a background service to pull data like weather and calendar events. Some of the new watch faces that are available from the Play Store right now unfortunately only work for those who receive the update. Some of these are extremely beautiful, and I love the Golden Beauty watch face, which looks super classy while giving the watch face that mechanical timepiece feel. There's something like the US2 watch faces, which includes 4 watch faces in one, 2 of which includes weather information, one as a regular clock, and the other that includes your calendar events. Then there's something like Surfline, which shows you live data from Surfline's Surf Forecaster. It essentially displays the tide time, surf height, wind speed, and direction straight to your smartwatch. Now, when changing watch faces, you get a bit of a different look from previous versions of Android Wear. You now have a recent section for your recently used watch faces, and you have All, which shows all of your watch faces in an alphabetical order. Also, with this update, you'll be able to download watch faces from the Google Play Store, just like you do with apps. However, you won't see an app icon anymore, as everything will be under your Android Wear app, which is pretty awesome. Less clutter in your app drawer and more watch faces on your smartwatch. The Android Wear app has changed just a bit too, giving the overall UI a material design look. And you also have the option to choose your watch faces from the app, which I think should have been there from the first place. The updated Android Wear app also allows you to enable or disable tilt to wake, which wasn't there in previous versions. And you'll also be able to see your battery life, including how much time you have left, and a breakdown of usage by applications. You can also check how much storage is left on your smartwatch for apps and offline music, but other than that, everything else is about the same. Anyways, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tour or overview of the latest Android Wear update. If there's anything else you'd like to see or have a question regarding updates, let us know in the comments section down below. And as always, I'm Mark Linsanger from Techno Buffalo. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you guys would like to see more tech-related videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you guys like video games, we're also on Twitch, so make sure to check us out at twitch.tv/technobuffalo.